Good one. Bumper. Oh, here's a good one. You got a jig ready?
Yep.
Let's grab us that net. I might have him hooked. He's still there. Or is it weed? I got it. Fucking weed, mate. You want to net it for me? Oh, it's a squid! It's a squid! I got him! Oh, jeez.
I might just put this in and take you let go.
Yeah. Ah, you let go. You let go. Just over here, mate. Just over here. Bring him to me. Ah, let go. Oh. There he is, just there.
Come on, sorry. You got him?
Oh, I don't know yet. Yes. Yeah, got him. No, I don't think it's the battery. It's good. Oh! Where? Shit. Where'd he go? Which way is he? I reckon I had a tailor or something on him.
Have you?
Oh, I lost it. Pulled the hook. It was a bit too big for that rod, to be honest.
Something's been on there for ages.
Herring. What?
Yeah, he's one or two left. Oh no, got me hook back as well.
I got a squid, I think.
You got one?
Yeah. It's a good one. Yeah, net's just here. Just here. Here he comes.
Yeah. Mate, he's angry. Nice.
There's a catches there for that reason, eh?
Yeah.
What the hell? Whose rigs even is that? Alright, cheers.
Oh.
That's the biggest, I reckon. Yeah, it's a good one. I don't know. I mean, it's a pretty big hook. It's unlikely to be a herring, but yeah, it's quite. Yeah.
You up the net?
Got him. Alright. Well, should we just try for a guardie? There's some there. I saw him. I mean, it's just. Oh yeah.
For a guardie,
yeah.
see how many herring we catch.
Yeah.
He's a big fight, mate. He's bigger than that one. Well done.
No, it's alright. Alright, now we need another one of them. You didn't think I'd get one, Tony, did you?
No, I think we need to get on.
Oh, he's got
On a little bit of mule.
the squid. Sorry, prawn. Oh yeah? Okay. Alright. See you later. You need the net? Beauty. Okay.
Right. Yeah, it was worth trying.
Yeah. It's big salmon whiting, mate. Get it, get it. It's a thumper.
Fucking hell. That's a big salmon.
Yeah, it's a good one. Awesome. Well, as soon as I said I'd catch something, oh, it came off too.
Yeah.
As soon as I said I'd try and catch something else, they come on the bite. How does that work? Yeah. Alright. Your turn. Ah, it's orange. It's a cuttlefish. Yeah, net it, man. I'll have that. Oh. Yeah, got him.
Is it the same goal with these things?
Just oh!
What a shower!
How'd that taste?
I've got this on and it was just water.
Oh man, you're lucky it wasn't ink. The ink's on there. Oh man. It's coming up, but I don't know what it is. Whoa. It's got a fish on the back of it. Oh dear, I'll be here a little while, I think.
Yeah, good luck. Just put it on the back of it.
Yeah, it's towing something. There's a butterfish along for the ride. There's him. Should be able to unhook that. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Got the rig back. Thanks, mate. Guardie.
Record guardie.
That's alright.
This might be it, mate.
This might be it. Lucky last cast. Can only hope.
Nah, it's not. Something silver.
You skippy? Ah, it's King George. Gee, your eyes checked, mate. There you go. Well done.
Whoa.
Oh, cheery, mate. Cheery, mate.
Well, I'll tell you what, mate, that was good.
Yeah, perfect. Why did you just do that when we got here?
I don't know. I like to catch one on the first one and let it go.
Yeah.
And then catch one on the last one.
Okay,
That's what I like to do.
it's all that tradition. Yes. You just got to go to the right spot. You can see the bottom. Oh no, maybe not. These are they size? That's always the question.
You got to beat 250.
Oh, straight away. Oh yeah. Oh, is this the skippy? Could be. Yeah, I think it's a skippy. It's a double header, whatever it is. That's why the weight's there.
fishing.
Oh, that's a double eddy. This is some spot you got here, Tony.
Sensational, well done, pal.
3 species in 2 drops. Yeah, that looks very much like a skippy. He's swimming around a bit, isn't he? Yeah, it's a skippy. I was thinking he'd be bigger than that. It was about a fight he was giving you. Angry skippy. There you go. Nice. Heavy sized. Oh, I think it's a really big tough one. Yeah. Oh, that one.
Oh, wow. Mate, that's a polka.
Anyway, he's going back. I don't know about that, mate. I think tail won't worth a photo until they're about a metre long. I've just got done. Nah, I've got it.
Got him.
I don't know what it is. Nah, it's not a fish. Yeah. I don't know what. I might just.
Let me bring that rod in.
Nah, it's alright. He's just on the surface. So I'd rather him just be in the water still. I don't know what this is. This could be a cuddly or something. What is it? Oh, you got to be kidding me. What's this thing doing? Hassling a muley. Got no business there, mate. Right in the arse too. Oh, he's off. Oh, another nice one, mate. Is that even bigger? I think it is even bigger. That's a good one. Yeah. Yeah, look at this guy. It's not a bad one, eh? I'll get this one out of the way too. That way out the back should be fine. Oh! Oh, he's off.
This is on my fucking whiting rig.
I don't think that was a Sambo, or as a pinky. Yep. Just didn't feel like a freight train, you know.
Fish following him up.
Yeah.
How is it Sambo?
That looks like a Sambo to me, mate.
Sambo's following him up. Mate, this is on the whiting rig.
Alright, yep. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Got it in the corner. That's it. Awesome. Is he sized?
It's got to be 600, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll have a few of these.
Well done, mate. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, the hook's just come off.
That's arsey, man. This is on fairly light gear. Should be right, time being. Maybe, yeah. He's probably going for yours a bit there, actually. Yeah. this
trying to give them the
yeah.
back.
Well, this is about a, I don't know, 12-pound combo. So. Yeah. All right, man. What's he doing? I think he's managed to brick me, eh? Yep. Huh? Yeah. Not much ground here, but he's, yeah. Yeah, we're off now. Spewing.
You're on.
Oh, come on. Oh, there he is. He followed it up, yep. Straight down. Yeah, that's a bigger fish.
That was a bigger fish.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. We'll get one. Oh dearie me. Oh dear. Oh, I've got a fish on, what's up?
Okay, my hook's gone through the front.
Alright.
Okay, no, you carry on.
Just, can you lift it in? Oh, and this is a pinky. What's happened? Ooh. Okay. Hang on, I'll come sort you out. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Alright. What's happened here? Oh, okay. I've got some bolt cutters.
Yeah.
Do you want me to get him back in?
Yeah. Yeah, we might have to put a release weight on his palm.
Nice, Julie.
Just get a bolt cut.
I'll just get him back in the water.
Nah.
Fucking hell.
Have you got a photograph of it?
Yeah. That'll teach you to catch a Dewey in the demersal band. Yeah, I mean,
Good effort.
in here. All places. Bloody hell. Alright. Yeah, I've got just the thing for that, you'll be right.
Pretty lucky really, just gone through there.
Yeah. Nah.
What's he? 6 kilo?
Yeah. Cop that, Sambo.
Chicken, he's trying.
There you go. Trying to leave you in pain for a bit longer, you know. This is why I've always got these on here. Alright.
Which way?
On the barb side.
Yeah.
I'm going to cut it there. Pull that back out. There's probably a clean rag in the side there as well.
Yeah.